Finerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. Today we'll be reviewing number 78 in my list of the 100 top traders. Today we'll be looking at the Royce Opportunity Fund. Now, using this strategy has done so well for me. It's put me in the top 3% in the most recent CNBC tournament, and you can see how it's done for me in previous tournaments. Now, what we merely do is follow the holdings of the richest, most successful investors out there, and we find their picks through these free websites. And then we get an average analyst ranking using these free sites. So again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of September 25th, 2009. Now, looking at the Royce Opportunity Fund, you can see KAMN is the only one of his holdings that make it into the buy camp at this time, with a 4.2 out of 5 stars, or a moderate buy. You can also see all the rest of the holdings in that fund that rate a hold and a sell at this time. So with that, we go to the charts. Now, Karman Corporation is an aerospace and defense company, and it's been like everything on a good run since the March lows. Now, it's currently trading above all of its moving averages, but is kind of having a rollover lately, and is now bouncing off its 18-day moving average. So we could see some bouncing back up after that on that good key support level, but also be warned that it could potentially head lower now that stochastics has lost its embedded status. You could see quite a bit of downside on this one. Now, I would say that downside could possibly fall into its 50-day moving average before moving into some more support at that level. So, in review, the moderate buys are KAMN as a moderate buy, and there are no strong buys at this time. So again, all analyst recommendations are as of September 25th, 2009. And if you'd like a more up-to-date look at the Royce Opportunity Fund, go into Stock Picker, find their holdings, and then go over to these free websites to get an average analyst ranking. So, on to my disclaimer. Disclaimer, I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my friends and family's accounts. And I am not affiliated with any of the websites used to determine these rankings. And I currently own none of the shares discussed today. So, this is Mckeon from the JMB FLP saying thank you and see you next time. For I'm a whale watcher. Hello, I'm Mckeon, creator of The Predatory Lender. Now, if the previous was a little too boring for you, try The Predatory Lender and join the Predatory Lending team as they go on their intergalactic adventures trying to hunt down the next great investment opportunity for you.